Hi, today we're solving weather observation station. Hi, today we're solving weather observation station 19. The task is to calculate the Euclidean distance between 2 points in the station table. Point 1 uses the minimum latitude and the minimum longitude, while point 2 uses the maximum latitude and the maximum longitude. We apply trunk and square root function for solving this problem. The Euclidean distance is the straight line distance between two coordinates, and the formula is the square root of the sum of square differences. In other words, square the difference in latitude, square the difference in longitude, add them together, then take the square root. Finally, we need to format the answer to 4 decimal places. To implement this in SQL, we take the maximum latitude minus the minimum latitude, square it, then take the maximum longitude minus the minimum longitude, square that, add both results together, and apply the square root. Let's run code and look the result. Results seem correct. Thanks for watching video.